Smartsheet review. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about one of the greatest work management softwares out there that truly adapt to your needs. And this software operates at peak. It's for team projects and processes to export all of your portfolios in one place. It has a lot of great use cases like project management, event management, new product development, and a whole lot more. And what I'm going to be doing in this video is reviewing it and letting you know if it's a viable platform for you specifically. All right. Now, basically, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to come over to smartsheet.com. Now, once you're in smartsheet.com, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on try Smartsheet for free. All right. Now, once we go over to this space, it should load you up into the login central. Now, logging in with Smartsheet is extremely easy because it provides you with a 30-day free trial. It has no free plans in it, but the 30-day free trial surely scales you up into the high rankings of CRM. Now, Smartsheet offers 4 tiers of services: free, pro, and business. And you can see that in their pricing and plans. You can pretty much get started with a 30-day free trial to the fully unlocked business plan without adding a credit card. And if you decide not to continue with a paid plan, your free trial automatically downgrades to the free plan later on. Now, the free plan is limited to 1 user, 2 editors, and only 2 sheets. Okay, and you can see the upper plans over here. They cost from $9 to $19, and then obviously you can contact them if you want custom features. All right, so the pricing is pretty cool, and the pro plan costing at $9 is extremely cheap. It supports a maximum of 10 people in the team. The upper business plan, which is $19 a month, will pretty much give you better things than pro. So all things considered, the business account is the better option for all but the smallest organizations. Okay, so the differences between the pro and business plans come down to limitations on features and which admin tools are included. So the pro plan has no limits on the number of sheets, reports, dashboards, or integrations that you have. You get 250 automations per month. You also get access to a lot of forms, user management, and 20 gigabytes of attachment storage. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Now, let's actually go ahead and get started with Smartsheet. Now, if you're willing to put in some work, Smartsheet can do a lot for you. We recommend, using a lot of its authorized CRM features to actually give you a good idea of how it actually works for you. Now, Smartsheet is built on spreadsheets, as you definitely know, okay? Nearly anything you can do in a spreadsheet, you can do it in Smartsheet. Every project or batch of work that you want to organize in the app starts with a sheet, okay? Now, if you have experience working with more traditional project management apps, the initial setup might slightly feel different. For example, instead of creating a set of tasks within list, you create a task on one of the rows of your sheets and then create additional tasks below it, which you can then indent to create the same relationship. Now, to actually give you an idea of how projects work, when you come over to your dashboard, what you're going to do over here is you're going to come here where it says start a new project, program, or process. You're going to click on it, and it's going to open up a section like this. So it says choose a template for your role in marketing. We have campaign plan, marketing, campaign management, simple project plan, and project schedule management. And as you scroll even more down, you have abilities to start from scratch, like guided project setup, workspace, import, work app, and a whole lot more. Now, if you want to start from scratch, you can go ahead with these, but you can also use their amazing templates. And even if we go on view all templates, you can see tons and tons of different templates that will be implemented for you. And it totally depends on you on whichever template you want to go with. So let's say I myself am a team lead and I want to do some project tracking. So we can come over to here where they give you a proper project tracking template. Now, they also give you the description of the template. It evaluates the health of any project quickly, update project schedules, status, task, ownership, and track overall project conditions. And you can see in real-time project reports and status in the automated dashboard. Now, the complexity is medium, which means that it is a bit difficult, but you should get the hang of it, and you can get a preview of it right over here as well. So, just because of these small reasons, Smartsheet is a very incredible, you could say, management app, CRM app, resource management, and a whole lot more. Now, on the topic of resource management tools sometimes are included. Now, while Smartsheet is a highly capable software, it doesn't include time tracking, budgeting, or advanced resource management. If you're paying for the business plan, you get these features for free by using the RSM by Smartsheet. Okay, so resource management is pretty cool, and you can get it on the upper plans, but on the free plan, it won't be available for you. Now, staying in sync and saving your work with Smartsheet is also a big thing. Okay, so as you get started, something to note is the app doesn't update in real time as you and your colleague make changes to your project. So let's say I'm going to come over to this project, right? You have to manually refresh the page to actually see changes that your colleagues have implemented. They won't happen in live time. Now, one setting worth checking when you first create a Smartsheet account is how often the app saves your work. Most cloud apps save everything all the time automatically. So in Smartsheet, however, you must select an interval for how often you want the app to save. So for this, you can go to your personal settings, okay, right over here. And once you go over to your personal settings, what you're going to be doing over here is you're going to select two options. So here we have personal settings. Now over here, you're going to go ahead and select the autosave after 1 minute of inactivity option. Okay, so you can save them over here. So autosave after 1 minute of inactivity, and autosave my changes when I leave a sheet, report, or dashboard. So you're going to go ahead and make sure to save that. Okay, because that truly helps you also save your time, and you don't have to constantly think of refreshing your page once you are done with your work. Now, templates and use cases are also very incredible. Templates I already showed you. They are arranged by category, which includes clients and customers, finance and accounting, general management, and a whole lot more. And obviously, you can go ahead and get an idea of these templates by coming over here. Now, there are also templates specifically for projects like project budget, agile project with Gantt, construction schedule with Gantt, project launch plan, project with Gantt and dependencies, and a whole lot more. So they have a lot of great templates and a lot of great use cases to actually get you started off. Now, Smartsheet features are also very incredible because they provide you with a lot of things that you can see on the left-hand side over here as well. You have a browse option that allows you to open up your files, and you can manage all of your files in this one place as well. Each row or column in Smartsheet's editor will basically contain a drop-down menu of custom values, a contact list, and a checkbox. So to create a simple task, for example, you could have one column contain checkboxes and the next column over could be task name. So as you can see, here's the task name, and here you can keep your requirements. So it's at risk right now. You can make it at risk if you want to. It changes colors accordingly. Then we have columns like assigned to, status, and a whole lot more. So it's pretty cool. Now, Smartsheet supports the ability to assign multiple people to a task as well, as long as you choose to allow multiple contacts per cell. That's not to suggest anyone should pay for Smartsheet if the only thing they plan to do with it is assign and track the status of tasks. But it's one of the examples of a sheet that you could make. A collaborative to-do list app such as Todoist would be a better tool for basic tracking among a team. Okay, now once you have gone through your whole Smartsheet creation and editing, once you have done everything you've wanted to, you can either go ahead and export this sheet, or you can save the sheet with other peers. Okay, you can save it with other people and see if they want to use it for themselves personally. Okay, so generally pretty easy and pretty simple stuff to get your head around. And, personally, in my opinion, if you are looking for a unique sheet software, then Smartsheet is definitely for you. Because if you're a person like me who has used Excel and Google Sheets all their life, then this software is going to be perfect for your scaling. So yeah, do let me know down in the comments below what you think about the software, and if you enjoyed this video, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know and I shall be making more for you, and that is pretty much all there is for me in this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.